Okay, Cathal, so just give us a quick steer about how things work here.
Okay. So this is a hot liquor tank, or the HMT as we call it. Here we heat the water up to about 75 degrees, which is what we use for brewing. Then this is the mash tun. So here we mix the grain and the hot water into the mash tun. Basically we make up a big porridge inside in the tank. And the temperature is there between 65 and 68 degrees depending on the beer. We let it sit there for an hour, and basically all the starch in the grain is converted to sugar. We extract all the sugars out. So you're left with really sugary, sweet barley water essentially. Then that barley water is transferred into the kettle. So inside here we have two big elements. It's brought up to the boil, and the beer, again depending on the size, beer is boiled for between an hour to an hour and a half. And at this stage then we add hops, which give the beer some bitterness. So you've got the really sugary sweet barley water, which is balanced with the bitterness of the hops. We're adding at different stages. So hops at the beginning for bitterness, later on we give a flavour and aroma. For the other beers, the ginger porter, the ginger's added in towards the end for flavour. Our wheat beer has orange peel and coriander, that's added in towards the end because you want to keep those citrusy flavours coming in. Then the beer is transferred through a heat exchanger. So we've pumped cold water in one side and hot beer in the other way. So the beer gets cooled down to 20 degrees, and we actually reconnect the hot water back to the HLT so we can use it for brewing the next day or the day after. So we're saving the water that way. And the beer is cooled to around 20 degrees, transferred into these fermenters, and it's held here at 20, depending on around 20 degrees for 5 to 7 days. So during that process we add in the yeast. The yeast converts all the sugars into alcohol. So that takes about 5 days. We cool the beer down and then transfer it into these conditioning tanks. So here we store the beer at about 4 degrees for up to 3 weeks. And then the final stage we transfer it into another tank, which is called a bright beer tank, where we force CO2 into the beer to give it carbonation. We've got, you see the two tall tanks over here? These are called uni tanks. So we can do everything inside in one tank. So we can ferment in this tank, we can cool it down, and we can carbonate in one tank. So depending on the beer, we use these as well.
Okay, and that's it, and then it's just off to the keg.
Yeah, exactly. So the beer is carbonated, and then they're ready for kegging. So the kegs are washed in this little machine here, one by one, and we purge a keg with CO2 to get rid of any air, because air is bad for beer. And then we just transfer the beer from the bright beer tank into the kegs.
Okay.
It's ready for sale.